Hey, who that is?
Yo, AZ, this your boy, JAYMELODY, J Melody, AZ R&B Prince. I'm doing this, man.
Okay, I can respect that. First question. What got you into singing? What inspired you to start singing? And
I mean, honestly, I say like this. My mom's actually got me into singing because she put me in a church first. When I got good in the church, then I was like, you know what I'm saying? I wonder where I can go with this. I see these other people over here R&B singing. I wonder if I can go do that. So of course, you know, me being the entrepreneur that I was, I went out there to see if I could do it with everybody else. You know what I'm saying? I got good at my craft, and from there on, I just knew that that's where my home was, R&B singing. So I've always been singing, but to get into R&B singing, it took some knowledge and understanding to get in that game, because not everybody can do it. Not everybody can really write a ballad or a real song. Had to do it.
Okay, I respect that. I guess, you know, since you are a singer, I'm gonna ask you who you look up to, who inspires you.
Honestly, man, I think I'm a old school cat.
Okay.
I got an old soul. I'm gonna say that I'm young, but I got an old soul. I'm a Marvin Gaye, Johnny Gill,
okay.
Gerald Levert, Stevie Wonder, Ray Charles. You know what I mean? And of course, you got the new school cats like C Breezy, Trey Songz. You got some underground like Kevin Michael. I mean, if y'all don't know about Kevin Michael, smack your mama. I'm telling you on everything, because the boy goes. So I'm trying to make music like a Miguel or like The Weeknd, something like that. Some good soulful music where you can actually sit down and listen to. Of course, Dre goes federal too, but I mean, we all there. Everybody in the same plug. You dig what I'm saying?
Okay. What would you like to go with your music? Like, what do you want your next step to be?
Honestly, man, my album is almost finished. It's called Room Service. It's a ladies' treat. It's for ladies, to show ladies that, you know what I'm saying, they first, when it comes to room service, when it comes to service in general, to make a lady feel good, to make a woman feel good. That's where I want to go with it, and take it to the next step, to where after I'm gone, or after this, you know what I'm saying, after I put out this album, it's still going to be played, and it's still going to be played worldwide, because people going to love it, you know what I'm saying? Soulful music, that's what I'm about.
Okay. You got any shout-outs?
Man, you already know. Hey, yo, shout out to everybody in Arizona that's really doing it. AZ Movement, you know what I'm saying? After Up the Movement, my nigga JY, Jay Higgs, Young Rome. There's so many people, though. I mean, we still get so many people. Myself, J Melody, the R&B Prince, the first, and After Up the Movement. You know what I mean? We got Actor Mac. You dig what I'm saying? We got my nigga Rocks. We got so many people. We got Rexham. We got Jay Slugger. Yeah, dig? AZ Mike Mills is doing it. Yo, shout out to Willie. You know what I mean? Shout out to anybody that's really doing it big. Juice, Judge, all of them. But not everybody is a motherfucking R&B singer.
Okay.
So I'm going to say shout out to AZ R&B singers like Mikey 360. You know what I mean? And there's some other niggas, there's some other underground niggas, and I might not be able to remember y'all name, but y'all niggas know that I'm thinking about y'all real shit, you know what I'm saying? And that's true up, real shit all day. So I'm still Texas flexing. And if you want to see me, YouTube me, baby, it's nothing. Hey, Melody, I'm all over that bitch.
Okay.
Your mama like me, your sister like me, and if she call me, I come and sing for everybody in the house. That's what I do. It's whatever.
All right. Shit. Even though it is 3 o'clock in the morning, it's kind of chilly out here.
Look at that. 3 in the morning.
Damn. It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
I mean, shit. You know, I'm gonna have to put you on the spot. Give us a little something for the ladies.
For the ladies?
Whatever. You know, give me something.
Yeah. It's like, she want me to go deeper. Have a yellow louder than the speaker. She the student, I be her teacher. Make her scream my name.
Oof.
Wanna make her go so loud, loud, loud. Have her yelling like a crowd. She wants me to go. Just baby, I'll go. Just lady, I'll go deeper. No rough draft for you.
Okay. Shit. Any last words before this video ends?
Hey, last words though, real shit. Look for your boy. I'm in AZ. I'm all out this hoe. I'm about to be in every store, every venue. I'm about to be in every house. It's only one of me, but I'm about to do it. Trust me. I ain't the Flash, but I'm the man. You dig what I'm saying? And like I tell all these hating ass niggas, watch the back of my pants, nigga. I'm always smiling at you hoes.
Hey.
And I'm still doing it.